everyone. So we have another Rockstar Minute, and today we have a member of the Rockstar team with us, Tim Hong, and he's going to share just some basic information about investing in multi-unit properties and the mindset that goes behind real estate investing. Because just last week someone asked me if they should invest in real estate, and they wanted to know if it was easy, and I think they wanted me to tell them that it was easy. And I said, look, it's really simple, the whole real estate investing game, but it's definitely not easy. And I think, Tim, I hope you're okay in sharing some of the not easy part. So we might have to move closer to the little camera device here. So we were recently talking about one of your properties in Hamilton. Can you describe what it is?
Yeah, so I have a 6-unit building in Hamilton right off of Gage Park. We bought it about 3 years ago. So we're in it. We've been renovating some of the units as the tenants leave and building equity within it.
Okay, and so let's get just down to the nitty-gritty. Has it been worth it holding the property? What's happened recently?
Well, we went through some issues. The boiler was busted at the beginning. We've had bed bugs. One of our tenants ran their water bill up to about $900 a month for 2 months straight right before we evicted them.
So they knew they were going to be evicted, so they just turned on the water in the unit and let it run for 2 months?
Yeah, but they're not that smart because they didn't run the hot water. They just ran the cold water. So.
Okay. So if they really wanted to get you, they should have run the hot water for 2 months.
Yeah,
but they ran the
it was just the cold water.
Okay. So yeah, that does a pretty good job of getting anyone who doesn't own real estate a picture of what it's like. Renovation costs, people running water that shouldn't be running water, and bed bugs are always fun. And are the bed bugs out?
One unit keeps bringing them back in, but the remaining units are out. So.
Okay. So the bottom line, why do you keep this thing and not just sell it? Because it sounds like a mess.
For this type of property, it's a long-term strategy. Within the next couple years, we'll be able to pull out probably about $100,000 in equity and build a portfolio with something else in.
And what's interesting about these properties is I think you were just saying that someone literally just unannounced walked through your property and asked you if you want to sell it.
Yeah, somebody just actually reached out to me and asked if we wanted to sell it. We walked the property, gave them some numbers, but haven't heard anything back since.
Got it.
That shows me that it's a property of interest because the people who are looking in it were very sophisticated investors.
So the way you have to go into these things is not short-term mindset. With real estate, it's generally long-term mindset, correct?
Yeah, I would say so.
Cool. So hopefully you find that helpful. Until next time, your life, your terms.